Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the flip through of the journal I finally finished. I started this journal in 2024, and I used the first papers I created for two sister jam ladies for their retreat. It's called Summer Jam, and yes, it's going to be in a raffle. Sorry, I didn't know the name, how it's called, but it's going to be in a raffle on Two Sister Jam Facebook group this Thursday. So today it's Saturday, but Thursday the 31st, if I'm correct. Yes, I am. There will be a raffle for this journal in Two Sister Jam Facebook group. So I'm going to do a flip through. You saw me, well, I have videos making this journal, and I have videos, a live video and a recorded video finishing the journal. Yesterday I did a live and I finished the tassel because there was a little less on. But yeah, I'm going to show you the whole thing. It closes with laces. I used, I think 90% of the laces that are in this journal are from Two Sister Jam Etsy shop. They sent it to me to work with. But it's just, yeah, the lace is gorgeous, and they also picked out laces that would go very well. Well, this is actually wallpaper, but with the rest of the papers. But yes, this is the front cover, and the spine is like this. It has an elastic binding, two inserts, buttons over here. You can still adjust it if you want to. You can tie this a little closer up to the journal if you want. Then I added lace on the back side and wallpaper on the front. This is a applique that I also received from the ladies. Stitching, lots of layers of lace because this has 3 layers of lace on the book covers. And the front, I also have I lost the name, wallpaper. Created a pocket made out of the crackling sound is like sort of vellum, and this is actually sort of a raised frame. I used alcohol ink to age it, piece of the wallpaper, stitching, and this is a tag I created, and that goes in here. So you see it over here a little, and this is the little tag to go in the little pocket. This is an actual dried flower. Yes, the buttons, and then you have the dangles. I showed you the back side already. Also laces over here, of course. And like I said, it has, let me find them, 2 signatures, elastic binding. There's lace on the inside of the spine, eyelets, lace over here, and lace over here. Pockets. The pockets are actually index cards, and it has a lot of little pieces. So this goes in here. Then I created a journal card from an index card together with a tag that comes with the kit with a little paper clip. And yeah, let's flip through the pages. I try to add also coffee dyed papers. These are actually from a challenge, and I, instead of acetate, I put in lace in the frame, and it goes in here. Did some stamping. I have old music papers, pages from the kit. Every page that is from the kit has stitching or edging. I added some Dutch because I thought that was a fun touch to put in Dutch papers, book papers. So these are Dutch, and another page from the kit, vellum with beautiful lace. This is a piece of, how do you call this? I don't know, fabric. This was part of the challenge, a trifold made with the free papers that come in LineDotArrow Facebook group, as you all know. Tag, another tag, and another tag. Yes, this can swivel. It closes like so, and then I also have a tuck spot at the back, and it just wraps around, and then it closes. So I included this in this pocket. Oh, it's a piece of lace. Book pages, vanilla paper, puzzle paper, book pages again, also in Dutch, aged papers. This is food colored paper, food colored paper from the kit doily. I added some ledgers, another pocket with a tag. Again, the stitching, and it's all almost double stitching, so not single but double. I absolutely love this paper. The elastic binding, you can take papers out, put them back in. Yeah, this has a little flippy, so you could turn this into a little tuck spot if you want to. Pages from the kit, other side of the paper doily. I love this image. Dutch puzzle papers, dictionary, again some fabric flip, and papers from the kit. This says Nederland, so here is where I live. This is the Netherlands in Dutch. The old music papers, coffee dyed paper, backside of the first signature, and this is the second signature. I have a small pocket, also laces. I believe these are the only, well, the edging is not from Two Sister Jam. These are from my own stash, but they went so well with the beautiful blue laces they delivered, and the thin pieces, because everything else is theirs. An old book paper of herbal stuff, floral stuff, kit paper, again a dictionary. How do you call these? I don't know. But I like them. Again, coffee dyed paper. I coffee dyed them myself. Again, an old book page with lots of florals. I have a little fabric flip. Puzzle. Again, a paper doily. Birdies from a Dutch book, also from the kit. I love this too. I really like these. Sorry, my phone is still on. So a lot of, well, writing room actually, or room to embellish. And if it gets too bulky, you can even take papers out. You can switch papers around. You can put papers from over here to the first signature. Anything is possible. I'm just flipping through. And this is a fun piece. I made a, this is also the fabric clip, but this is the beautiful lace I was talking about. I made a pocket, little piece of vellum behind, and this is a little handkerchief. And I just wrapped it around an index card that came in the challenges. And it's one of the free papers in the Facebook group. And then this is also from Two Sister Jam lace. So this is all Two Sister Jam lace. Another book page, paper from the kit, sorry, this little piece, a pocket with 4 journal cards, another old book page. And this is the final page, and then we have the pocket over here. I added 2 of the tags, and in here are little makes too, and they're all sewn. And I did some stamping, and this is tracing paper with acrylic transparent paint. Now it is rather it's a rather it takes a lot of time creating this, but the effect is just beautiful. I have some beads over here, and I also have some dangle stuff over here. And yeah, that's the journal. So if you want to get a hold of this journal, you should definitely check out Two Sister Jam. If you're not a member of their group, you of course first need to become a member. Make sure you answer all the questions and agree with the group rules, and then you could be participating in the group because they do a lot of fun stuff. And they also host the LineDotArrow challenges, but they also do their own things. And they have a lot of live sales and stuff going on. Check out their Etsy too. I have a link below this video that will take you to their store. But yeah, if you want to have a hold of this journal, you might want to be there this Tuesday. But yeah, this is the flip through video. I promised to do it. I said yesterday I was going to do a flip through video, so here it is. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, maybe you want to leave me a like, leave a comment. If you're new to the channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber. Also check out my Facebook group LineDotArrow, because I host the challenges over there. I have co-hosting groups that are, well, Two Sister Jam and Sophie's Crafty Corner. So we're doing the challenges with the three groups. And also check out the Etsy store, because I still have that sale going on. 4 kids is 40%. 6 is 50%, and when you purchase 10 you get 60% off. So, and other than that, I already have a sale for single kids going on too. But yeah, this is it. I hope you liked it. Enjoy your day, stay safe, stay creative, and hope to see you in the next video. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.